Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's chapter is application of trigonometry, and the question is the angle of elevation of the top of the building. Okay, building is there. From the top of the building, from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay, so here you can see building and tower is there. So drawing the figure is most important over here. So building and tower. So angle of elevation of the top of the building. So this is the top of the building. Angle of elevation we have to draw from this. So from the top of the building, from the foot of the tower. So here top of the building and foot of the tower, these two we have to join. After joining, here we can draw two horizontal lines from the top of the building and this. Your horizontal line we have to join from this line of sight. So here you can draw two lines, horizontal line. Here you can draw angle, here you can draw angle, but angle of elevation is given. So angle of elevation always above the horizontal line के ऊपर. Here this is angle of depression below horizontal line, and these two angles are between line of sight and this is what? Horizontal line. And so here you have to take angle of elevation above horizontal line. This one is correct. So this is what? 30 degrees you have to take. Then and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So from the top of the tower you have to take angle of elevation again. So from the foot of the building. So this is the foot of the building. These two you have to join. So this is angle of elevation again. Horizontal lines two we can draw here. We don't have to take angle of depression. We have to take angle of elevation above horizontal line. That is nothing but 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, so the height of the tower is 50 meter. Okay, from here this is height of the tower. Find the height of building. Let it be some h. Now naming it A, B, okay, C, D. Here two triangles are forming, first and second. These two are sharing same base. Now solution, you can write given angle of elevations are given. Angle you have taken DAB. This A you have to take in DAB. This is no, you are wrong over here, sorry. So here you have to take CAB is given. CAB angle is forming between CAB is equals to 30 degrees. Here it is forming DBA is equals to 60 degrees. Here you can see 60 and B. So B in the middle, A in the middle. Okay, now you can see over here this side we have to find. So in this triangle CAB, no side is given, hypotenuse is not given. This side CAB, this you can see CAB, this H you have to find, but no side is given, only one angle is given. So we have to find other side, any of this hypotenuse or this adjacent we have to find. So here with the help of this given we can find this side AB. Okay, because here one side is given and one angle is given. With the help of this we can find AB. So that will help us in finding the height. So first we will take considering the angle triangle ABD. Now consider triangle ABD. Here you can see triangle is forming like this DAB. Here you can see 60 degrees. So angle के opposite वाली side opposite है, 90 degrees के opposite hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. So here 50 degrees is given. This side we have to find AB. So we will take, this is adjacent and opposite we want. Adjacent and opposite means old Henry and his old aunt. So opposite and adjacent we want, that means sine, cos, tan we have to take, tan O by A. So we have to take tan theta equals to, theta is what over here, 60 degrees, is equals to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 is what, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, not defined. So this is 0, this is 30, 45, this is 60. So 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equals to, opposite is what? Opposite is 50. Now adjacent is what? AB we have to find. So here I will send this AB. AB into root 3 is equals to 50. So here we want value of AB. So we'll send this root 3 that side. AB equals to 50. This is in multiplication and changes to division. So this we will take first one. Now consider triangle ABC. Here we got this value. What we got? 50 by root 3 we got for this. This side we have to find h, and the angle is 30 degrees. So again we are having a side opposite to this angle. Acute angle is opposite, and this is longest side, hypotenuse. The remaining side will be adjacent. So again we have to take O by A. That means tan 30 degrees equals to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 means 0, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Opposite value is what? H we have to find. AB 50 by root 3. So what we will do? 1 by root 3 is equals to H. So this we will send in numerator. So reverse हो जाएगा, root 3 ऊपर आ जाएगा, root 3 by 50. So here 1 by root 3 is equals to, this is in division, we'll send this that side to multiplication. So ये multiplication में है, that side we will send division root 3 h, root 3 into root 3, root 3 whole square. Okay, 2 times हो गया, whole square. 1 into 50, 50 h, square root get cancel, you will get 50 by 3 is equals to h. So here I have divided this. Okay, so this I got q r by d. इसमें change कर सकते हैं q r by d. q means 16 2 by 3. 16 2 by 3 ले सकते हैं इसकी वैल्यू, इसकी प्लेस पे 16 2 by 3 h की वैल्यू. Or else you can take the height of building in 16.666. Okay, therefore the height of building is, height of building is 16 2 by 3 in mixed fraction.